What is that subtle sense of nuance that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary? We have rethought the very form of the tool, this time drawing inspiration from the silhouette of a classic fountain pen. We crafted a shape that perfectly contours to the perlicue of your hand. With its warm, tactile touch, everything naturally aligns with the intuition of your fingertips. Holding it feels less like grasping a tool, and more like handling a collectible piece of craftsmanship. Yet, the core of this warm tactility lies in a system of restrained mechanics, a meticulous harmony where weight, curvature, and your hand achieve a perfect silent understanding. The center of gravity of the hobby knife has been ingeniously shifted forward, concentrating the weight in the front section of the body. Featuring a 6-4 golden weight distribution, the center of gravity naturally rests at your fingertips when held. The moment the blade meets the surface, it tracks your hand movements with absolute precision. Even during intricate curve cutting, the blade feels like an extension of your fingertips, allowing beginners to master control effortlessly. We innovatively adopted an integrated tapered tail design, reconstructing the core architecture of the hobby knife. By merging scattered components into a unified whole, the transmission of force from the body to the blade flows without a single hindrance. Whether performing continuous slicing or heavy scribing, there is no fraction of looseness or wobble. Paired with a custom zinc alloy automatic open-close mechanism, it snaps shut quietly when locked and springs open automatically when unlocked, bidding farewell to the jamming, wobbling, and looseness of traditional hobby knives. The grip section features a custom-made, ultra-fine surface treatment that balances anti-fingerprint properties with exceptional wear-proof performance. A dedicated ergonomic finger rest zone has been sculpted at the midway of grip section, allowing the curvature of your fingertips to nestle perfectly into the contour. When exerting pressure, the force from your fingertips transmits naturally through the recess down to the blade. Even after extended use, it will not cause fatigue or pain to your knuckles, feeling as comfortable and familiar as a fountain pen you have used for years. In terms of the cutting system, the exclusively crafted traction-activated fish mouth chuck works in tandem with a unidirectional blade design, ensuring that your grip alignment is always perfectly synchronized with the cutting direction. The knife comes in two independent specifications. The wide blade delivers more power and greater stability for heavy cutting and shaving, while narrow blade specializes in delicate operations, adapting to more demanding trimming scenarios. Combined with premium carbon structural steel blades, it is tough, chip-resistant, razor-sharp and durable, capable of handling a wide variety of materials. When replacing the blade, simply remove the cap, twist the tail. Insert the blade correctly, then lock the tail back in place. Even should you experience any slip on the tail, the cap will rescue you instantly by transforming into a rotary knob extension handle, allowing you to handle the swap with poise. The blade box offers more than just storage functionality, which is not only just a blade storage box. The bottom also can be opened to store discarded blades, effectively preventing accidental cuts. Beyond making the tool exceptionally functional, we have also prepared an exclusive assembly kit for it, the Rocket Knife Stand, inspired by the interstellar rockets. The entire model heavily utilizes undergated hidden sprue designs, making part cleanup fast and easy. Mold flash and seam lines are kept remarkably subtle, and the details remain sharp and crisp. 23 precision parts offer a quick and satisfying assembly experience, achieving a highly finished look even as a straight out-of-the-box build. Inheriting the classic 1/3 mini-tool series, it highly replicates the authentic form of the hobby knife, featuring a cap that opens and closes freely. The rocket itself represents movable landing gears and thruster nozzles, and when combined with the hobby knife, it shows the silhouette of the rocket completely, serving both as a knife holder and an anti-roll mechanism. Made of pure flat white plastic with snap-fit design, it boasts rich, solid, non-translucent color retention, while also leaving ample creative freedom for custom paint jobs. From material selection to functional layout, every detail of this design stems from a deep insight into user needs, blending professional utility with reliability and human-centric care. The GEEHOBBY Professional Hobby Knife is not only a capable assistant for craft enthusiasts and a professional gear for precision creators to carve out details, but also a desktop aesthetic piece for those who pursue a quality lifestyle. It breaks through the cold, industrial feel of traditional hardware tools, seamlessly merging utility with aesthetics. Through its integrated structure, ergonomic design, and top-tier craftsmanship, it redefines the standard of professional hobby knives. Let sharpness be cloaked in elegance. Let precision stem from craftsmanship.